Okay, here we are. This is the motor in that same razor I've been cleaning. It is covered in mud. That brown on here does not come off. It gets shinier, it does not come off. Now when I detail these, I clean all this. Obviously it looks horrible, and I'd say, you know, when you get all this mud on here, you retain a bunch of heat, which on one I've had the temperature sensor melt completely out of the head from the heat that was kept in from the mud. I'm gonna show you, I use some of that acidic wire wheel cleaner. The type I'm using today is called Breakaway. It's made by Reclean. It's not really available anywhere, possibly online. Let's see if I can find a link, but this one is can sit a little longer than the stronger wire wheel acid I usually use. I'm just using this so you can get an idea. It will cut back on some of the galvanized parts. They won't be as gold, but I don't know if you can tell. This doesn't look so good now, so any improvement's probably better. I'm gonna spray it on there. It's dry. Again, it's cold. I haven't been running it, so let's just hose this whole thing down. Transaxle, back of the block. I can put it on the exhaust too. It actually will pretty much remove the mud from the pipe, the stainless steel, the muffler. Let's kind of get it in here covering everything. This one I'm using now is actually works on painted wheels, so it's not as aggressive on the paint or the piping. In fact, it will pull some of the deeper dirt out of the piping. Let's see. Now it is it's working. You can see a little bit of foaming action. I'm trying to get all the aluminum parts I can. The water pump. I did spray the motor mount. Let's spray down here. Spray the muffler some more. It literally has already cleaned the stator cover. I do this, it kind of, you know, the dirt cuts it, so you don't get a really, sometimes you got to double up on your treatment to get through some of the really thick dirt. All right, looks good. Let's see what it looks like. Get the water. Lots of water. Look at the difference. Just a few minutes. Now that's going to dry and it's going to look amazing. That looks 100 times better than what it did. Now I usually spray some Preserve It, which is a product that makes it shiny. Kind of seals it in, makes it better. There's actually some dirt up there on top. I have to rinse that off from the power washer. But the pipe, it came out better, but truth is, if you put the acidic wheel cleaner on the pipe and use a power washer, that's when it really comes clean. It needs that extra pressure. The acid actually lifts the dirt, and then the power washer will push it out. But there it is, a little bit of cold water and a little bit of time. If you want the dirt out of these rubber hoses so they look new again, trick to this is Spray 9. Spray 9 will take the dirt right out of these hoses. It'll make them clean again. All right, thanks. All right, here it is, all done. I moved it from where I was washing it because there was mud everywhere. Had to rinse off the tires. The tires are a little wet still, but the body's pretty dry. Looks good. I think it came out nice. It cleaned up good. It's still dripping off some underneath. Man, this thing's got mud everywhere, but overall, they came out real clean. Took about 5 hours. Hardly worth the price of the detail, just doing it for a friend as a favor.